You having problems with people stealing license plate screws? Now you don't have to worry about people stealing them. Instead of just like what I took off of mine, you can use a, 10mm, 8mm, or a flat blade screwdriver. You can quickly, on mine, yank them off. Fairly easy. If you're having problems with people stealing, you can get these type of license plate screws that has little security bits onto it, so the tool you'll need to take them off will look like that. Most people that's trying to steal license plate, they do not have this type most of the time. Mine was fairly easy. It was only about $7–10, and they do have it for different vehicles. They have them for Ford, Kias, Dodges. Here's the difference. It's a security one versus a flat blade that anybody can take. Flat blade, or I believe it's 8mm. So that's a nice little upgrade you can do if you live in a bad area where people stealing license plates. You can easily get these for about $7 and replace it, therefore you don't have to worry about anybody stealing your license plate.